Hey guys, today I'll be explaining the Analects of Confucius 2.15. And without further ado, let's get started. 2.15. The master said, "If you learn without thinking about what you've learned, you will be lost. If you think without learning, however, you will fall into danger," or exhaustion. So, learning without thinking about what you've learned. So, if you learn without knowing what it means, or if you just learn without having your own opinions, then you'll be lost or confused. So first, you won't know what it means, and second, you won't be gaining any knowledge from it, because if you don't think for yourself, or if you don't ask questions, or if you don't teach what you've learned as a practice, then you'll just forget it. If not in a day or two, then maybe in a week. And then if you think without learning, however, you will fall into danger or exhaustion. So if you only think in your own head without learning, which is if you fret about things or try to find an answer to a question that you don't know, maybe someone's already thought of that, and maybe someone already has an answer. I'm not saying don't think for yourself, but maybe if you're overthinking a lot, or if you're really anxious about something, then a lot of that comes from not knowing prior knowledge about that topic. So in other words, if you're theorizing without having any actual logical explanation or actual knowledge, then your theory might not be factual at all. So to summarize, if you can, for example, only recite something, but you don't know what it means or how to apply it in your daily life, then that is learning without thinking. And if you're reasoning without any true knowledge or anchors that are 100% factual, then you might be in danger, or we can say you will fall into risky error. So you might have the wrong ideas, but you're confident that they're right, or you might mistake opinions for facts, or you might also build on sand, which is, for example, if you've ever tried walking on sand, you just topple and fall. It's not really anchored or grounded. So I hope that this helps with whatever you are doing, and I hope that you have a good day. Thank you for listening.